Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location here in Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have one of the best-selling pickups out there, the Ford F-150, and now we have one of the newest electric covers called the Retrax EQ. So before we get started, if you have any questions throughout the video, that is our telephone number. Feel free to give us a call. So let's come on over here and let's take a look. Now, this is the new multi-function tailgate on here, and it does work with this cover. So we're going to show you a few things here. Now, what is nice about this, before we go into how everything works, let me go ahead and film how it looks. And look is just important, how it functions. Now, what's nice about this cover, it does come with a T-slot that does go the full length of the bed. If you look at my truck here, you can add any of these racks here, tie downs, all that stuff can be added to this cover. Now, this does come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, if we install it, it does go to the Real Truck program for the double the warranty, which is quite nice. Now, this is the matte finish, and if you look, it really matches all the trim on this truck, so it really gives you a nice OEM look. Now, what's nice about the Retrax EQ is you can program it to the factory remote. So basically, what you're going to do is hit the 3 times, and that will open it. And to lock it, you just hit the lock 3 times, and that will lock the cover. Now, it also works with an app as well, so you can use an app on your phone to open this, which is another nice feature here. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Okay. Now, it does come with a LED light on the side here. That comes standard with it. Now, if you want a second one, they do sell it as an option for the other side if you like. Now, another nice feature about the EQ is it does come with a smaller canister, so it'll give you a little bit more room inside the bed. So if you put some plywood in there, you can slide it right underneath the canister. Another small change, but it's nice, is they changed the hardware from silver to black. It just camouflages the hardware a little bit better. So I like a lot of things about it. I do like that one less remote, and again, using your app is another nice feature. They do sell a additional keypad thing. You'll go right here and you can type in there and you can open it that way as well. That's sold separately. And again, it's pretty easy. You just go here, 1, 2, 3, and there you go. And it's nice and quiet. Now, they're not going to go very fast, and the main reason they don't go super fast is a safety reason, in case you get some kids here with their hands there. Basically protects them from getting hurt. I like this because, again, you push it, it does it for you. You don't have to hold the button. It just goes and does its thing here. And let's go ahead and see if this has it does have that. Now, let's see if I can remember how the multi-function tailgate works on the Ford. Do you remember where the little button is for that? Let's see. There you go. So, I want to show you that this works with this. A lot of people ask, hey, can the cover work with the multi-function tailgate? As you can see, it works just fine. Now, if you'd like to get this, we can obviously install it for you like we did with this guest here today. If you can buy it from us, we can also ship it anywhere in the country. And if you do buy it from us and you have questions regarding the installation of this, Buddy, or Master Tech, is the one who put this on today, you can give us a call and we'll walk you through any questions you might have. So besides having the tech support from Real Truck and Retrax, you can get us. So it's a win-win for you. Great warranty, looks good, functions good, really can't go wrong. And I do like this a lot. I mean, I have an electric cover on my personal truck, and it's a lot of fun. And I do like the idea. I just push it. I don't have to do anything else. It does the work for me. I had a guy who was worked for the government, and he had to ultimately pull into the Air Force base. They wanted to check his bed, and he could just open it from inside the vehicle. Did not have to go out and open it. So again, a very, very nice feature. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Retrax EQ on a Ford F-150 with a multi-function tailgate. And again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date on this great products here, and thank you very much for watching our video.